So how did we get here? This is a raycaster. Raycasting is a way of making a 2D scene look 3D. This is how some of the earliest 3D games were made, like Wolfenstein 3D. How this works is by sending out rays from the player, and when a ray hits a wall, it uses that distance to create a vertical slice of wall on the screen. And by looping through all the rays, we can create a 3D scene. I first watched Griff Patch's first 2 episodes on how to make a raycaster in Scratch, and then watching his 7th video to get the 3D texturing on the walls. I converted the Scratch code of his first video about player movement to Python. After trying a few times, I got it to work properly. With this little yellow square guy as the player, he's able to turn, move forward and backward, strafe left and right, and slide across walls. Next, I added the rays that would shoot out from the player and collide with the wall. Each frame, 60 rays are shot out. To move a ray forward, I just added the ray's x and y values to the cosine and sine of its angle. And after each movement, it floors its x and y values, divides them by the block size of the level, and checks if there is a wall at that grid square. If there is, it moves on to the next ray. Now it's time to render the 3D scene. After each ray collides with the wall, it calculates the wall slice height it needs to draw based off of its distance from the player. The wall slice is drawn in an x value of how far over the ray's angle is from the player. To add 3D textures to the wall, we need to get the offset of the ray that is hitting the wall to the wall. Then it doesn't simply draw a line for the slice anymore, but draws separate little squares that get their color from the ray's offset and the index of the texture from a texture list. Then we can add a little shading and boom, we're done. If you want to download the game and try it out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description where you can download it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.